About 9:30 a.m. About ready to hike down this gully to a overlook of a waterfall. Looks like I'll have to cross a flowing creek. That's promising that there's water. A little water on the trail as I make my way eastward. I'm following someone else's footprints. There was a car in the parking area. I'm going to assume that they were going to hike to the falls. First look at Canyon Lake. Looks quite dirty. There's a boat going in there. I think on the other side of that is the dam. That area where the power tower is, there's a couple of them. That's mile marker 208, where there's a trail that leads down to the wash. In fact, it's probably right in this area. From where I have come, there's a trail leading down low, but I chose to stay on the trail above. It has a more gradual decline. The high trail is the trail to take. It'll be going lower shortly. I believe this is an observation point where you can get another view of Canyon Lake and the four peaks about 30-40 miles away. The lake is only probably, as the crow flies, a couple miles. I need to get down from this overlook and continue to the east. The trail heads down. Maybe cairns from time to time, but this is the first one that I saw. If I turn back, this is that rock formation I came from, where I came down. The trail leads up there when you go back. I believe the trail goes over here to the northeast, kind of around that cat's claw, around another cat's claw, and we're free of the cat's claw. Another good sign, a flowing brook. That's where I'm going. We came from up there. The brook is on the other side of me now. We're heading down here and then around to the north. We're almost there. Coming to another cairn that leads to the left, which will be the waterfall, or leads to the east here, where you can get a view of the other side of the wash if you have the time. But you came this far, so keep going towards the waterfall. Feet a little wet going through there. I have two sides to go. I think I'll go to the right. You get here after the rain and there's a lot of water flow. The rocks are going to be slippery, and if the rocks are going to be slippery, your shoes are going to be slippery. So please be careful of coming down, that you do not slip and fall and go over the falls. We haven't got there yet, but we're getting close. I will be following this water flow in front of me. I'm going to go to the left side. Left side is the safe side. Cling to this rock so you can get to the other side. So I'm just about to the falls. Don't fall. I believe I'm safely behind the rock wall. Leaving the falls. This is the return route. Leaving the falls. This is the return route. Heading back, I'm a little weary, but I'll make it. There's an interesting cave over there, or several. No time to check on it today. Three pools. Just like the high hieroglyphic trail up to the Three Falls. I don't know, does the tree fall in the forest? Can you hear it? I don't know. Back to the parking area at 11:30. I'm tired, but I think I'm gonna make it. Yes, I did. There used to be a sign, 174. I don't see it now.